Sparks fly at a rally supporting President Obama's plans for health care reform. WGN's Lourdes Duarte was at that event downtown. Lourdes?
How about it, Micah? This rally was put on by Citizen Action Illinois, but it was led by a long list of Democratic lawmakers, from Governor Pat Quinn to Congressman Danny Davis, all trying to drum up support for President Obama's health care. However, opposition to the plan wasn't too far away.
You should be ashamed of yourself. Where are your values? Where are your American values?
Hot debate on a hot topic. President Obama's health care reform igniting reaction in his hometown. On one side, politicians and some business owners who say health care can't wait.
72% of Americans want the choice of a public plan, and we have to give it to them.
We have to fundamentally reform the system, and we're a democracy, and the voice of the people should be heard, not just the voice of powerful corporations.
On the other, their direct opposition, those who say a government health care program to cover 50 million uninsured would cripple the U.S.
Bottom line for me is that the federal government, I don't want them telling us what kind of health care we can have, and I don't want them running it because they can't run anything efficiently.
I understand when they talk about they don't want too much government control. I'm a business owner. I'm a capitalist entrepreneur. I don't want too much government control either. But I'll tell you something, that when I buy chicken and when I buy beef and when I buy produce, I want to know that that's an inspected product.
One man opposing the plan, pointing to the Constitution as a source for his debate.
It is immoral. The only purpose of the government is to protect the citizens, not intervene in what should be a free market decision.
Because you can't afford it. Your wife finds a lump in her breast and she should just die at 50 years old when somebody that's got a little bit more money in the bank. I'll tell you, if that's what they believe, then they're living in the wrong country.
Those talks won't end anytime soon. Today's rally expected to be one of many in the coming weeks as lawmakers return home for August recess. That means both groups will try to get their points heard.
What's happening with health care in this country when we have to pay the amount we do to be denied coverage is a form of extortion.
There are things that they should do, but they're not doing the right things.
A lot of interesting opinions out there. Well, supporters of the plan are putting together similar rallies in Chicago suburbs. Meanwhile, today President Obama had a sort of pep talk with Senate Democrats who afterwards said they believe Congress will pass a bipartisan health care bill this year. Mark?
Thanks.